Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another episode of the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. My name is Norma, and I'm going to be sharing my win of the day with you guys today. So let's get started. Today, I want to share my win of the day, as it is one of the things that I am learning from is that growth comes from being willing to take on different responsibilities and contribute whenever the team needs support. With that said, today my assignment include a little bit of everything. My assignments include a little bit of everything, but one of my projects is a hands-on task, which I'm pretty excited about because I've never done this before. It's not something hard. Sam gave me a little bit of teaching of how it is that I'm gonna have to do what I was assigned to do. I'm gonna be removing something that is called a decal from one of our windows to open up space for new signage that Sam recently installed. And these new signs are going to help promote our multifamily properties, rentals, and housing opportunities. This is going to create obviously more visibility for our services and the opportunities that we provide for the community. So I'm going to go ahead and take on that little project, which again, it's pretty exciting to me because I get to step out of my area, which is here in the desk. And I'm gonna go and stand outside. I'm gonna be working out there. So that's pretty exciting to me already. Another thing that I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna go and visit one of our sites, one of our job sites in Lemon Grove. That project is, we're trying to get it concluded by the end of next week. So with that said, I'm gonna go over there today and kind of just walk through the property. And since our goal is to have this project finished by the end of next week, it'll be great to see the progress, firsthand and continue learning more about construction at the end of the day. So I'm gonna go there today, a little later today, and walk through, talk to some of the employees. I need to ask some things to some of the employees. And yeah, so that pretty much concludes two of the main things. That doesn't mean I have other assignments to do. I have other things to work on, like I said, but those are just two things that will have me step away from my desk. So again, I love doing that. So I love being here at my desk. I love doing all this work, but I also love to be able to step out and do other things. So that for me concludes my win of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself some aplausos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And well, yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining me for today's win of the day on the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. Remember, guys, that success is built one action at a time. Stay committed to your goals, keep learning, and continue taking steps forward every single day, guys. Take it easy if you're looking for construction services, real estate opportunities, multifamily investments, or simply just want to connect with the team focused on growth and success. Visit us at 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. Or you guys can also call our office at 619-202-0679. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and we'll see you guys on the next win of the day. Keep growing, keep improving, and keep creating your own wins. Bye, guys. Have a good day. See you guys on the next one.